Hi everyone, let me introduce. My name is Selimuddin from Bangladesh. Thank you so much for watching this video. I am a professional 2D pattern CAD master and 3D garments virtual fitting designer with senior garment technologist. Overall, I have more than 15 years experience. I have worked multiple companies, garment manufacturing and buying office, even supporting fashion brands and clients worldwide. I have created accurately 3D clothing simulation, virtual fitting and design visualization to help you save time and production cost. Even I have worked online and offline both, as well as provide full support from start to finish. I specialized in creating accurate and realistic garment simulation for brand and clients in multiple countries. My goal is very important to deliver high quality work and ensure client satisfaction. Let's have a watch my creativity another video and imagine to deliver everyone.